Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Hemet, local and long-distance movers near me. If you're moving a long distance, you could be feeling anxious before the big day. Many Hemet moving firms compete for your business, so you may be researching your options. Moving across the country or around the world requires careful packing and transporting of all your belongings. Hiring a full-service moving company in Hemet, California is your best bet. 3 Movers provides customer packing services, and our professional movers will pack your things with protective packaging to keep them insulated for the long journey. Your long-distance move will be taken care of. If you're looking for local moving companies, you can count on 3 Movers as you move. A local move might avoid stressful tasks like finding a new job, moving your kids to a new school, and finding a new favorite takeout place. Regardless, you still need to do all the packing and heavy lifting as if you would be moving many miles away. Our professional movers specialize in local moves, starting with our free in-home estimate. The quality of our moving services and our affordable prices make us one of the best local Hemet moving companies. In only a few hours, you will be packed and unpacked into your new home or office. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hemet moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.